Hello, I'm Vishali, a BTech graduate from Punjabi University, Patiala. I completed my degree in the year 2020 in computer science engineering. And talking about my experience with Punjabi University, it started in the year 2016. At that time, I didn't score so much good in 12th standard to get a seat in computer science engineering. And thus I started with electronics, which was my second preference. And after the first year, I got the opportunity from my college to get a seat in the stream of my own choice, and this was based on the semester result. And there were 7 seats in computer science engineering, and I got the second one. And I'm really grateful to my college for giving me that opportunity to prove myself and get a seat in the stream of my own choice. And talking more about Punjabi University, I would like to share my personal experiences. Once I had some query regarding the Alumni Association of the university, for which I went to the head of the department, and there, on answering my queries, what he asked me was to tell him all the technical areas in which students are weak at, or they need any kind of help in that, or they want to explore some technology. And he also asked me to tell him my suggestions regarding that, or any ideas which I have for technically improving myself, or which could help all the other students as well. And after hearing all this, I was like, I was really proud of being a student at Punjabi University, where teachers were so enthusiastically working for us. And not only this, before the placements also, actually the students were preparing for aptitude, and they were about to join some institution for that. And so many students were hostlers, and it was very difficult for them to travel in the other part of the city for taking those classes. When our head of the department got to know about this thing, he called those faculty members of that institute to conduct the classes in the college only after the college timings. And this really helped us, saved a lot of time, and we could prepare so much good, like the classes were just in the college only. And not only this, before the placements, so many workshops and seminars were also conducted in the university, in which they told us about all the do's and don'ts in the interview process, and mock interviews were also conducted. And we got a lot of support and love from our university. And at last, I believe that it was just the support and blessings of my university which helped me get placed in 3 of the well reputed companies, which are Infosys, TCS and SAP Labs. And I'm looking forward to join SAP Labs, where I'll be getting the opportunity of doing MTech for the next 2 years, and I'll be getting a stipend also during that time. And at last, I would say that my university has played a major role in shaping me what I am today. I'm really thankful to them. Thank you.